If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Amazon Business, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate through the cancellation efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Amazon Business account by entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account associated with the pending transfer. Step 2. Navigate your orders. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate the pending transfer. In your orders section, look for the pending transfer you wish to cancel. You may need to filter or search for transfers specifically to find it more easily. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. This will provide you with more information about the transaction and options available for cancellation. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You should receive a confirmation message once the transfer has been successfully cancelled. After completing these steps, you should have successfully cancelled your pending transfer on Amazon Business. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for further assistance.